Kardiya kulango nia kande kande. Kardiya values.
Kardiya are interested in our country. Our country, Australia, the Upper's country, Australia, is because we've got different seasons in Australia itself. Landscape change too. Not many tourists come through to Ladamana.
Kardiya are very interested in our threatened species of animals and plants because this area is not being disturbed.
It's still natural. Numbers on our species have dropped, so threatened species. The numbers of bilbies and more even birds and stuff too that are getting threatened from feral animals.
The scientists are interested in the Northern Tanami IPA because we have some of the best intact country. We don't have as many feral animal or weed problems as other parts of Australia does. So we have got really good country for plants and animals to grow in, particularly the bilby. That seems to be one that a lot of Kardiya know about, and they like to know that the bilby is very safe in the Northern Tanami. So because of that, we have some very intact or nutju, good country, that's still the same and still healthy like it used to be in old times. So it's really important for us to keep that nutju country as strong as we can in our job with IPA and with Ranger Mob. So because we don't have lots of roads going through or problems from pastoral, from farms, weeds and things coming in, we can protect it much better and much more easily.
And there's certainly lots more birds around here because of the water, and because of the water there's lots of insects in the water, so that means lots of birds can come and get tucker here and food. And so when you've got lots of water birds and you've got lots of raptors, hawks and eagles and that sort of thing, so yeah, wildlife does concentrate here. Even some of the small mammals, because there's more water around, means there's more insects for them to eat. Oh, cut me.
The other really nice thing about this whole area, in particular up here, is no buffel grass and no lawn couch grass. If you're managing a place like this for natural and indigenous values rather than cattle feed, then it's really good not to have those ones. This one, anything you can eat on this one?
No.
No, I didn't think so. So we might hopefully stop on the ground at a few places and collect some plants so people can know more about where this grows, what the habitat, the soil, ground's like, and other plants growing with it.
So those records will go and stay with CLC. Some of that the Yappa are okay with, some of that information will go to the government so that they can hold those records too, so that they can remember, and maybe in 20 years' time they can look and go, has that animal got better or worse? Are things better or worse? How can we fix this?
It's also a really important cultural place too, because this is where all those old people used to navigate through the landscape. They used to go from one water spot to the next. So we want to look after this place, I reckon.
We combine teams with the fire management side of stuff too with Kardiya, such as helicopter, aerial burn-offs, mapping. So that's all come down to the land management too as well. Because especially with Yappa traditional practices and stuff, which Kardiya are interested in, it gives us rangers, North Tanami rangers, an opportunity to work alongside of Kardiya too, which is really important. So we work together.